was called The Ant and the Girl. And the teams of the girls to win. Once upon a time, a girl said, "I'll take my grandma these cookies." But then a wolf said, "Let's get those ant teams." He scurried off to the ant pile and said, "You ants, come up, we saw a girl." Then they tumbled where the girl was and followed her tracks of shoes. Then they met her house, and then they tracked mud all over it in the chimney like a heart. And then they laid down as they swooped down in the fire. Then they said, "Ow!" And they ran out quick, and then they caught the girl, but she got her friends to put a trap there. So it got all spider webs to put some goo that shuffles them out, and that happened. So then they were safe, and they lived happily ever after. The end.